Okay, so I just want to show you a follow-up on how our side shoot plucking and making new plants is going. It is actually going quite well. As you can see, this plant has nice big tomatoes already on it. This is our deck garden. We're hoping we'll be able to pull them up by the brick house as it gets colder, if necessary, to help them finish ripening. And this is our Roma plant, which is finally starting to bloom. It took the longest. And this is our Sun Gold Cherry Tomato, which I think is going to be ready to pick tomorrow. Isn't that exciting? So this is really going very successfully, and also we're rather surprised at how well just small pots are doing for tomatoes, instead of giant ones. So we're pretty excited about this. As you can see, we have a lot more coming. The lace is just, we were afraid the plants would get hot laying right on it in the summer, on the dock railing. So I will go show you the other one that we have in an actual garden in a minute. And here is our one in the actual garden. As you can see, it has completely taken off. You can see the tomato cage there for scale. We were trying to use a teepee to tie it up, and it seems to be working pretty well. And it's getting quite a few tomatoes on it too. This is, I believe, the one from the volunteer tomato plant. So we don't actually know what kind it is, but it's growing and we're happy.